Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a beautiful orange value scale. If you want your paintings to look realistic, balanced and full of depth, understanding value is more important than understanding color. So let's begin. Here I am using orange and white and black and few flat brushes. I will take out colors on my palette. Let's begin with pure orange in the center. Place this color exactly in the middle because everything else in the value scale starts from here. To create the first lighter value, I will add just a tiny touch of orange to white, mix completely so the color stays clean. It's almost pastel and this is the lightest value in our value scale. In the very first box, I am applying the lightest tint of orange. This is the highest value on the scale. It's almost a soft pastel peach. Now let's move on to the second box. For this one, I am adding little more orange into the previous light mix. This gives a slightly stronger tint, still light but with a cleaner hint of orange. I am applying this mix to second box. You can see it's still a tint but a little richer than the first one. You can keep adjusting the orange and white until you get the shade of softness you are looking for. For the third box, I am going to add a little more orange. You can see now the color looks warmer and more recognizable as orange but still on the lighter side. You can keep adjusting till you get the exact tint you want. Now let's move on to the fourth box. It's almost like a soft sunset peach, brighter than the previous ones but still lighter than the pure hue. I will apply this to fourth box. I'm cleaning the brush properly before moving to the next mix so the colors stay clean and don't get muddy. And I will remove the excess water using tissue. Now I am starting with the darkest shade in box 9. This is orange mixed with the tiniest bit of black. Black is very strong, so add a very little at a time, so you should get a deep rich brownish orange. For box 8, I am adding a bit more orange into that dark mixture. This makes the shade slightly lighter and warmer than a box 9 but still very deep. You can keep adjusting the orange and black until you get the exact shade or depth you want. Now I will mix even more orange for box 7. You can see how the color slowly starts opening up. It becomes a warmer, softer dark orange. For box 6, I am lightening the shade even more by adding extra orange. This is the lightest shade on the dark side, just one step before reaching the pure orange in the center. So this completes our full orange value scale from the lightest tint to the darkest shade. If you like this tutorial, do subscribe for more acrylic painting lessons and join my 7-day acrylic painting course, the link in my bio.